Hello, my wonderful students. Very good morning to everyone. So, today we are going to see Class 6 Subject Science of a Year Question Paper Sample of 2025. Okay, students, if you need this copy of question paper, you have to subscribe the channel and send me a message in YouTube along with your email address. I'll send you this copy. Only if you subscribe, I'll be giving this question paper along with answer. Okay, so this has session A objective questions of 5 marks. Select the correct answer for the following question. How do people understand the difference between hot and cold water? So, by measuring the water's color, by using the sense of touch, by observing the water's movement, by the sound the water makes. So how can we identify whether it is hot or cold? If we touch, we can able to feel the sense. So it is by use of the touch of the sense. So the correct answer is by using their sense of touch. Next question. Which of the following is cannot be called as habitat? So which of the following is cannot be called as habitat? A desert with camels, a pond with fishes, a jungle with wild animals. So all these are habitats. Cultivated land with grazing cattle. So this is not a habitat. Next, animals and plants have certain features which make them capable to survive in a particular habitat. It is called as an adaptation. It is not habitat, it's not grouping, it is not venation, it is habitation. Sorry, adaptation. Next, starches. Starch is a carbohydrate, fat, butter, or mineral. So, starch is a carbohydrate. Which of the following does not provide nutrition? So, which of the following does not provide nutrition? Meat, fish, cereals, roughage. So, roughage. So, all these provide nutritions. Okay, so for this one, you will be getting 5 marks. See, objective question type. Okay, so session B, we have subjective questions. So still we are in objective questions. So next one, fill in the blanks with correct answer. So plants and animals live on land or called dash organism. So the answer is TE. So while writing the answer, write it very neatly without any mistake. Okay. It is terrestrial organism. Okay, next. The Birdman of India was awarded Padma Vibhushan in the year, so which year? 1976. So 1976. Okay. So dash disease caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Rickets. So RICKETS. Rickets. Okay, next. Dash pole of a magnet is generally colored with red. So, north pole of the magnet is generally colored with red. A dash always resets its north and south direction. Which one reset? A needle in the compass. So, you can write compass needle or needle in the compass. So, compass needle. Okay, so 5 marks for fill in the blanks. So next we have match the following. So this is from the lesson magnet. So magnet attracts, magnet is repelled, magnet is suspended freely, natural magnet. So reset along a particular direction, lodestone, By another magnet in same direction, ion fillings. So we have magnet attracts ion filling. So A. So magnet repels, which magnet repels? By another magnet in the same direction. So opposite direction attracts, same direction repels. Magnet, if suspended freely, what will happen? Reset along a particular direction. So next natural magnet is lockstone. Okay. Next, correct the given sentence, correct the given statements and rewrite. So if we have given with a statement, we have to rewrite with the correct statement. Snail moves with the help of tiny bristles. No, that's an incorrect statement. Snails move with the help of their muscular foot. Okay, so I will write the answer for A here. So the answer is snails move with the help of their muscular foot. Okay, next. Beriberi is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. No, it is vitamin B1. So the correct answer is beriberi is a condition caused by a deficiency of vitamin, or you can say vitamin also, vitamin B1. Okay. So next we have short answer question. So this question they are giving 4 marks students. Okay, very important. One line you are getting 2 marks. Okay, so write it very carefully. For this you have to read the complete lesson. Then only you can able to correct these statements, because these statements are taken from the middle of your lesson. Okay, next we have answer the following question, short answer type. Next we have 10 marks short answer questions. Okay, so what do organism need to support their growth? So what do they need to support their growth? I will write the answers here. Okay, so first question, short answer, organisms needs food and water to support their growth. Okay, very easy question student. Okay, next, herb is different from a shrub. Explain. Yes, herbs and shrubs both are different. You have to explain it. The herb is a small plant with tender and green stem, whereas shrub is, what is shrubs? Shrub is bigger. Shrub is bigger. Herb, shrub is bigger than herb, which has strong and thicker stems and has strong and thicker stem. Okay, next question. What makes millets unique as a crop? So what makes millets unique as a crop? So millets are highly in nutrition, Okay, and it can be easily cultivated in different places in different climatic situation also. So that millets are highly, what to say, highly energetic giving, and the nutrition value is very very high. So that is the why the millet crop is unique. Okay, so you can frame the answer. Millets are highly nutritious grains that can be easily cultivated in different places or climatic condition. Okay, next. What question? In which direction a freely suspended magnet orients itself? So, in which direction a freely suspended magnet orients itself? In north and south direction. Okay, you can write a freely suspended magnet orients itself in the north south direction. Okay, next. What is the next question? Okay, short answer, long next question. Give the name of natural material that act as a magnet. So the natural material act as a magnet is magnetite. Okay, you can write the answer. Magnetite is the name of natural material that acts as a magnet. Okay, magnetite is the name of a natural material that act as a magnet. Okay, so 10 marks question is over. So 5 twos are 10. So 5 questions are there. So very important. Each lesson they have taken one or two questions. Okay, next you have long answer type question and case based question. Okay, long answer type you have three questions. Let me see one by one. So tap root is different from fibrous root. Explain. So always when I tell you, right, differentiate means you have to put tabular column and write, students. Whenever they ask to differentiate, remember there should be in a tabular column. Okay. So second question is, water does not provide nutrition, yet it is important component of food. Explain. Yes, water is not a nutritious food, but water is very important. Why? You have to explain in points. Okay, next question. Explain how will you test the tea dust. It is not adulterated with iron powder. So this is an experiment. So you have to list how can you test this. Okay. Okay, one by one we will write the answer. So first we will write the differentiate. So I'm Not going to put a tabular column, but what I'm going to do is I will write the differentiate, but you can put the tabular column while writing. Okay, so first I'm going to write for tap root. So this is the first question. So tap root, what we can write, tap roots have only one main long root, then the smaller roots that grow from the main root are called lateral roots. Okay, this question also sometimes they will ask you what is lateral root. Okay, so next point you can write. Remind the students you have to write in tabular column. Okay, tap root does go. Tap root goes deep into the soil. Okay, next is fibrous root. First point is it does not have a main root. All roots are like to be similar. Okay, so you can write fibrous root do not have does not have a main root. All roots seems similar. And next you have they do not go deep into the soil. Okay, next question. Water does not provide nutrition, yet it is important component of food. Explain. So you have to give points for this question. Point by point you have to write. So you can start. Water does not provide nutrition, yet it is important component of food because you have to write one by one, students. Point, you have to give the points. So I'm giving the first point. To transport digested food to body cells. So it is important to transport the digested food in body cells. Okay, water to absorb nutrients from the food. Next, to get rid of water products from the body. Then to control and regulate the body temperature. Okay. So next question. What is the next question? Last question of 3 marks. Explain how you will test that the tea dust is not adulterated with the iron powder. So again, this is an experiment. If you want, you can use diagram also, students, but it is not mentioned. But if you want, you can do a small diagram also. We can do simple experiment for this. Point, you can write the answer. First point A, you can write, take tea dust on a paper. Take a bar magnet over this dust. Shake the bar magnet over this dust. If some particles are attracted strongly towards this magnet, then definitely tea dust will have iron powder. Okay, if there is no attraction, then there is no iron powder. But if you see iron powder, it will get attracted to the magnet. Okay, if you want, you can pause the video and copy the answers also, students. Okay, and if you need very important questions for your exam, you have to subscribe the channel and you have to join the channel as a member. I've given my WhatsApp number in the description. You can join using that WhatsApp number. I will type my number also here. If you want any additional details, you can message me. Do not call me, students. You can message me over. So my WhatsApp number is 9718619174. Okay. Oh, no. This is my old number. Sorry, students. I've changed it. You can use 7418619174. Okay, you can WhatsApp me to this number 7418619174. All right. So next we have a case based question, 6 marks. You're going to get 6 marks for this question. Okay. So let's read it. Mansi conducted an experiment on the powdered rice. She added few drops of iodine on it, and what happened? She observed that the color of the solution changed. So why is that? So what was the change in color observed after iodine? So what will happen? What color it will get changed? Blue black, violet blue, red green, or black green? So the correct answer is, when we test iodine, it will change to blue black. Okay. The appearance of the above mentioned color shows the presence of which of the following nutrition? So which of the following nutrition? It is carbohydrate. Okay, and carbohydrate is dash type of food. It is an energy giving food. Okay, so blue black the solution will turn, and it is a carbohydrate. Next, above identified nutrition is found in protective food. Oh, okay, now only we said, right? It's an energy giving food. It's not a protective food, not bodybuilding food, none of these. It is an energy giving food. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. Okay, now we have completed this question paper. Students, kindly subscribe the channel, and if you want any additional details, go ahead and message me. Okay, all the very best for your half year examination. Do well, study well, and always obey your parents, elders, and teachers. That is very, very important. Okay, take care and be safe. I'm pausing this video. If you want, you can note down these answers. I'll just wait for 5 minutes. Take down these answers, students. Okay, I'm moving a little. Okay, have you copied it down, students? I'm going to close the video. If you want exam important questions also, you WhatsApp me. You have to join the channel as a member. I'll give you important questions, okay? Okay, take care, students. Bye bye. I hope you have copied all the answers.